Many commercial buildings today keep their occupants safe, comfortable, and productive using invisible but critical building automation systems. Now, using existing IP network infrastructure, these systems are working together to create an intelligent building. With Ethernet-enabled connectivity, every element is pre-programmed and customized for each employee or visitor entering the building. The result is a substantial savings in operating costs, increased employee productivity, and improved building security. Building owners can utilize intelligent building technology to manage internal systems like HVAC, lighting, and security access with much greater efficiency, reducing maintenance and energy costs in the process. Over the past few years, the multiple workstations, databases, and interface portals used to manage these systems have given way to a single common interface. Now, using an Ethernet-enabled controller, end users in an intelligent building also have more control. For example, entering a few commands using this IP telephone will adjust the lights and HVAC settings to any given preset. I've got a few minutes before the meeting. Let me show you around. Well, managing all of this information in today's modern building can seem to be an overwhelming challenge, but it doesn't have to be. Panduit structured cabling solutions will enable the integration of the many intelligent building systems and components. This is the Enabling Technology Lab inside Panduit's Executive Briefing Center. Here, we're partnered with many top component manufacturers to demonstrate how to run an intelligent building with the same TCP/IP protocol, structured cabling system, and the same end-to-end telecommunications equipment used for your network. The use of the enterprise network for building automation system communication and IT integration offers substantial operational and cost benefits. Because most buildings are already cabled for network connectivity, it is easy to add devices to the existing infrastructure. Panduit offers a host of components to enable power and communication to these devices in a secure environment, in the telecommunications rooms and at the outlets. These include centralized and cross-connect equipment such as patch panels, zone distribution centers, and power over Ethernet. And an intelligent building integrates the infrastructure of several existing systems, including security and access, communications, lighting, HVAC, and fire life safety. In an intelligent building, security and access control systems are widely utilized in commercial buildings to control access in and out of various parts of a building based on personal credentials. In an integrated facility, access information will initiate events in other systems as well. Intelligent buildings utilize smart cards to store and communicate user information. When a user scans in, their credentials are sent back to a centralized IP-based access controller. If access is granted, the system will turn on the appropriate lights and set them at the proper predetermined levels, start the HVAC environmental systems, and activate the appropriate video surveillance cameras. Augmenting the security access system in an integrated facility is the visitor management system. Here, employees or tenants can enter visitors into a database via a web page or an IP-enabled device. Upon arrival, a visitor can generate an access badge from the visitor kiosk by entering the name of whom they are there to see, entering their personal information. Have an ID photo taken automatically using the digital camera in the kiosk. Enroll their fingerprint via the kiosk scanner and store the fingerprint on a smart card for access to different areas of the facility. Once a visitor is enrolled, a badge is automatically printed out at the reception desk. Additionally, the visitor's information is sent to the access control system, and the visitor is tracked throughout the facility. A critical component to any building security system is the closed-circuit television, CCTV system. An intelligent building uses video cameras that can also be accessed using a pre-existing IP backbone. IP-controlled video surveillance cameras allow for intelligent recording based on motion, events, and behavior analysis, and reduce installation costs by drawing power through existing Ethernet cabling. When supported by Panduit's zone cabling solutions, cameras can be easily added or removed from the system. All video taken from the system is recorded and archived digitally. Intelligent building technology also allows users to adjust their individual office lighting to suit their own personal tastes. In tomorrow's intelligent building, each IP-enabled lighting fixture is continuously monitored and adjusted to stay within specified operating parameters. This means that an intelligent building optimizes the power consumption and output of the lighting system, controlling and monitoring the energy consumption of each bulb within a lighting fixture. An intelligent building conserves energy by monitoring ambient light coming through the windows and adjusting the lighting fixtures accordingly, maintaining the total light output levels. This is known as daylight harvesting. An intelligent building maintains defined limits on the total energy consumed by the lighting system. And an intelligent building reduces overall labor costs by automatically notifying maintenance of lighting failures. In an intelligent building, individuals have a certain amount of control over their own work environments, including ventilation and room temperature. HVAC controllers connected to the building network collect environmental information and send it back to a central database where it can be monitored by the building systems. For example, if the levels of carbon dioxide get too high, people get tired and productivity suffers. The HVAC control system can exhaust interior air while drawing in fresh air to maintain carbon dioxide levels to the desired threshold. An effective fire alarm system consists of detection, suppression, and notification devices, all of which can be controlled through an installed network. Here's how it works. Once an alarm has been triggered, an intelligent building initiates a sequence of pre-programmed events. The video surveillance system moves the appropriate cameras to view the location of the alarm. IP phones warn occupants of the alarm and provide evacuation instructions. The access control system unlocks all appropriate doors. The access control also creates what is known as a muster list of who's in the building. The lighting system activates the appropriate emergency lights. And the HVAC system goes into a smoke evacuation mode, drawing smoke out of the building. Today's building automation systems generate a tremendous amount of data. By utilizing existing structured cabling, an intelligent building can effectively manage this information for more efficient building operations. Additionally, by storing security, environmental, and access information in a digital format, analysis of the information is streamlined, thereby improving building environmental quality and occupant security. Whether it's for one location, a campus, or facilities spread around the globe. Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for coming. So, let's get started.